Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. If your Discord screen share has video but no sound, there are a few quick things worth checking before assuming something is broken. Start by leaving the call and opening user settings in Discord. From there, head into voice and video and double check that the correct input and output devices are selected. Your input should be the microphone you're using, while the output should match the speakers or headset where your audio plays. Once that looks right, scroll down and enable the option for capturing application audio, including the experimental audio capture feature if it's available. After that, rejoin the call and try sharing your screen again. If the issue continues, return to voice and video, open the debugging section, and use reset voice settings to refresh everything. One more thing I usually check is that system volume mixer, just to confirm the app or game being shared actually has sound enabled. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.